Hi, my name is Anurodh Ankit. Today we are going to learn number series. In banking examination, this number series plays a very vital role both in pre-examination as well as in mains examination. In pre-examination, there will be 5 questions on number series. Out of 5, there will be one question which will take some time. Not always, but sometimes you will get one question which will take some time. Then it is better to skip that question and focus on the rest 4 questions. Else our target should be that 5 out of 5 questions should be solved for the number series, and it should be solved within 2 minutes. And in the mains examination also you will find 2 to 3 questions on number series that will be of 2 marker. So if you are able to solve the questions on number series in the mains examination itself, it holds a very vital role in the selection process. Okay, so let us start. What is this number series? The number series is based on some logic. We have to find out the logic. Once the logic is recognized, then we have to find that either missing term series is there or wrong number series is there or one new type of series comes in the examination that we will discuss it later. Now, what approach should be there to find out the logic? We have to find the logic in the series, but what approach should be there? So we generally try to find the logic with the help of slope method. What is the slope method? Now I will explain you one by one about the slope method. Look, the slope method is divided into 6 types. The first type, type 1. Type 1 is named as minimum slope. Type 2 is named as medium slope. Type 3 is named as maximum slope. In between the medium and the maximum slope, there is a type 4 which is named as mean slope. Then type 5, that is ups down series. And then type 6, that is 2 series. So we will learn one by one what is minimum slope, what is medium slope, what is mean slope, and so on. So first we will learn about type 1, that is minimum slope. Minimum slope, like slope will be in the form, the series will be in the form A, B, C, D, E, so on. So either we will see that this series is in the increasing order or this series will be in the decreasing order. So when it will be increasing order, when the every successive number is greater than the previous number, then it is in the increasing order, else it will be in the decreasing order. So what we try to find out in minimum slope, there suppose the number is given in the form 5, 6, 8, 11, 15, 20. So how do we recognize that it is minimum slope or maximum slope or mean slope, and what is the use of that? So we just see on the larger number. So what is the larger number? 20. Just before that 15. So each 20 2 times or 3 times or 4 times of 15? No. Each 15 2 times or 3 times or 4 times of 11? No. So from here we come to the conclusion that something must be getting added. If it is in the increasing order or if it will be in the decreasing order, something must be getting subtracted. So we just recognize the slope, that this slope is of the nature minimum slope. So now how will we approach this question? Once you have recognized that the slope is of minimum slope, just start writing 5, 6, 8, 11, 15, 20. So how you reach on to 6 from 5? So you added 1 over here, then you added 2 over here, then you added 3 over here, then you added 4 over here, then you added 5 over here. So what in the end you will do? You will add 6 over here and the answer will be 26, like this. So something is getting added, or something if it is in the decreasing form like 20, 15, 11, 8, 6, 5. So here what we see, that is this 5 some times of 6, means 2 times, 3 times? No, it is not like this. Is this 6 some times of 8 like 2 times 3 times no. So again we have seen that it is in the form of minimum slope. So minimum slope means something must be getting added or subtracted. So it is in decreasing order, so something must be getting subtracted. So how you reach on 15 from 20? You subtracted 5 from here. How you reach on 11 from 15? So you subtracted from 4 from here. How you reach on 8 from 11? So you subtracted 3 from here. Like this, you will subtract 2, you will subtract 1, and you will subtract 0. So again the answer will be 5. So this is a type of minimum slope. In the minimum slope, we only add something or subtract something. Okay, now let us look at the question, how the questions are asked in the examination. The first question. The series is 2, 6, 33, 49, 174 to 110. So as we look at to the question, our first priority should be to recognize the slope. So we will look at the larger number is 210, and just before that it's 174. So each 210, 2 times of 174, 3 times of 174, 1.5 times of 174. No, it is not like that. So from here we came to the conclusion that something must be getting added or subtracted. Now we look at the series is in the increasing order, so we come to know that something must be getting added. So now start from the very beginning. How will you reach at 6 from 2? So you will add 4 over here. How will you reach at 33 from 6? So you will add 27 from here. Then how to reach 49 from 33? So you will add 16 from here. Okay. Then how to reach 174 from this 49? You will add 125 over here. Always remember, by the 3 results, the rule gets confirmed, and after that we don't check for the further result. When we get the 3 result, the rule gets confirmed. So here we are witnessing that it's plus 4 plus 27 plus 16. Okay, so how to recognize this? Now first thing in number series that you must be knowing the square from 1 to 25 and the cube from 1 to 10. If you know this much, then you can recognize the series easily. So here we see that it's plus 4. Plus 4 means 2 square. 27 plus 27 plus 27 means 3 cube. Now plus 16. So 16 will be 4 square. Now the rule gets confirmed. It's plus 2 cube plus 3 plus it's plus 2 square, it's plus 3 cube, it's plus 4 square, then it's plus 125 means plus 5 cube, then 174 and 210 it's plus 6 square, then it will be plus 7 cube. So how plus 7 cube is how much? So plus 7 cube is 343. So add 210 to 340 for 343 and we will get it 553 as our answer. So the answer will be option 1. Okay. Now move to the second question. Here the question is 9 and then the missing number, then 20, then 31, then 51, then 82 and then 133. Now how will we attempt the question? So we will first look at the greater number. Greater number is 133. The number before 133 is 82. So each 133 2 times 3 times 4 times of 82. No, it is not like this. So again we will proceed that whether it is in increasing order or decreasing order. So we see that it is in increasing order, then something must be getting added. So we will start writing. We don't know here how we reached from 9 to this and then 20, but we know how we reached on 31. So we added 11 over here. Then from 31 to 51 we added 20 over here. Then from 51 to 82 we added 31 over here. Then from 82 to 133 we added 51 over here. So now as we write it, we see that this 82 is the sum of the just previous two number. This 31 is the sum of the just previous two number. This 133 is the sum of the just previous two number, 82 and 51. So what will be here? So sum 20 is sum of previous two number, 9 plus x 9 plus x is equal to 20. So x is equal to 20 minus 9, that is 11. So our answer will be 11. So 11 is not in the option, so it will be 5, none of these. Okay, so now I hope that your concept over minimum slope is over. Now I will give you some exercise question over all the concepts, but first we will witness all the concept here and one or two examples on every type of slopes. Now our second type, that is medium slope. Medium slope, what does this signify? In this type of series, every successive number is either 2 times, 3 times or n times of the previous number, or every successive number is near to 2 times or near to 3 times or near to n times the previous number. Like it will be in the form into 2 into 2 into 2 plus something plus something plus something or minus something or into 3 into 3 into 3 plus something or minus something, like this. It will be in this form. So let's understand it by an example. Here we see that the series is 5, 11, 23, 47, 95 and 191. So again our approach is we focus on the greater number. Greater number is 191 and just before that the number is 95. So 191 is how much times of 95? So it seems to be 2 times. 95 into 2. So we write here into 2. 95 into 2 means 190 and we add 1 over here. Then we see 47 and 95. So again 95 is 2 times of this 47. So into 2 plus 1 near to 2 times. So every number we see that every successive number is near to 2 times of the previous number. So we write into 2 plus 1 into 2 plus 1 into 2 plus 1. So from this three results, our rule gets confirmed that this series is a type of medium slope where every successive number is the multiple of 2, is getting multiplied 2 times from those previous number. No, it's not a multiple of 2. Actually, it's getting multiplied 2 times of the previous number and something getting added or something getting subtracted. So this type of concept comes under medium slope. So let us look at the example that how the question comes in the examination. Now, our third question is, it's the series 7, 20, 46, 98 and 202. Then what will be the next number? So now we will look at the larger number. The larger number is 202. Now this 202 and look at this number just before 202, it's 98. Now can you see that 202 is near about 2 times of this 98? If we consider it 100, it's 200, so it's near about 2 times. Now again see 46 and 98, so it is also near about 2 times. It is also near about 2 times. So just write it down. 98 and 202. So into 2 plus 6. So 46, 98, how you reach there? So 46 into 2 plus 6. 20 and 46, how you reach there? So into 2 plus 6. 7 and 20, how you reach there? Into 2 plus 6. Never start with a smaller number. If you will start with a smaller number, there will be some difficulty in facing the question. Always look at the larger number. The larger number itself will tell you what is the nature of the slope. Once you recognize the nature of the slope, just write it down directly and you will reach at the answer. So here we came to know that it will be 202 into 2 plus 6. So 202 into 2 is 404 plus 6, that is 410. So C is our answer. Again, look at the fourth question. The fourth question, 3, 5, 9, 17, 33. So again, what we will do, we will look at the larger number. Larger number is 33. Number just before 33 is 17. So it seems that it is near to 2 times. So every number seems near to 2 times. So just write from the very beginning. Into 2 minus 1, into 2 minus 1, into 2 minus 1, into 2 minus 1. And by this three result, the rule gets confirmed. The rule is into 2 minus 1, into 2 minus 1, into 2 minus 1. So again, 33 into 2 minus 1, that is 66 minus 1 is 65 is our answer. So these two questions was based on the concept of medium slope, then maximum slope, and maximum question in the examination will be based on this type of slope, maximum slope. The maximum slope is of the nature that the number is keep on increasing, and that too in a disproportionate amount, like the every successive number will be 1 times, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, 6 times, like this, or 2 times, 4 times, 6 times, 8 times, like this. The number keeps on increasing in a disproportionate amount. Here, let us see through an example. Here the series is 5, 6, 13, 40, 161. So if you will start with the lower number, just 5 and 6, so you will be tempting to write here plus 1, plus 7, like this, and you will never reach at the result. Just go through the slope method. What the slope method tells, that just look at the larger number. Larger number here is 161. The number just before the larger number, that is 40. So can you recognize that 161 is how many times of this 40? So it's 4 times. So write 4 into 4 over here. And what is the remaining? So 40 into 4 is 160, and so plus 1 you will add over here. Again, now look at the number just previous to this. It's 40 and it's 13. So 40 is nearly how many times of this 13? So it's 3 times. So write into 3 over here. Then 6 and 13, so it's 2 times. So into 2 plus 1, then into 1 plus 1. The rule gets confirmed. The rule is into 1 plus 1, into 2 plus 1, into 3 plus 1, into 4 plus 1. So lastly 161 into 5 plus 1. So how you do 161 into 5? You know 160 into 5 is 800, and 1 is there, so it will be 805 plus 1, 806. So this type of questions comes under maximum slope, and most of the questions will be of this nature in the examination. Now, how the question will be there? Here it is written 221, 138, 705, and what will be the next number? So how will we approach this question? We will just look at the slope. So we will try to find the slope. So how to find the slope? Just look at the larger number. Larger number is 705. The number just before this is 138. So can you see that 705 is how many times of this 138? If roughly you consider it 140 and roughly you consider it 700, so it seems to be 5 times. So just write into 5 over here. Now 21 and 138. So 21 and 138. So if you consider it 20 and it's 140, so you will be tempting to write into 7 over here. Okay. So if you consider this 2 and 21, so you will be tempting to write into 9 over here, like this, into 7 into 9. So okay, you can try it by this. If you write 221, 138, 705 into 5 into 7 into 9. So into 9 plus 3 into 7 minus something, फिर into 5 plus something. So the rule is not getting clear. Then 705 into 3 minus something. Okay, the rule is not getting clear. So how? So you came to know that there will be something different rule over here. So it is confirmed that it is 5 times of this. So now just move back and write it into 6 and into 7. So as soon as you write 21 into 6, it came out to be 126. So 126 plus how much will be 138? So it will be plus 12, plus 12. And 2 and 21, so it will be into 7, so 14 plus 7, so into 7 plus 7. So now 2, 21, 138, 705, and what will be the next? So it is into 7 plus 7, it is into 6 plus 12, it is into 5 plus 15. So this is a very special type of case which comes in nearly every examination. One question you will find on this case. What this case tells you? Here you came to know that it is into 7, into 6, into 5, though it will be into 4. But here you are adding plus 7 over here, plus 12 over here, plus 15 over here. So what you will add into 4 plus what? So look, just learn this special case. This special case, it is into 7 plus 7, into 6 plus 12, into 5 plus 15. So into 4 plus what? So this says that this 7 is 7 into 1. This 12 is 6 into 2. This 15 is 5 into 3. Subtract 1, add 1, subtract 1, add 1 and get multiplied. So 7 minus 1, 6, 1 plus 1, 2, 6 into 2, 12. 6 minus 1, 5, 2 plus 1, 3, 5 into 3, 15. Subtract 1, 4 and add 1, 4 into 4, that is 16. So add 16 over here. So this rule is like this, into 4 plus 16, matlab 4 into 4, now 3 into 5, now 6 into 2 into 6 and again 1 into 7. If the series keeps on going, so it will be till here. So now in this question, we came to know that it will be 705 into 4 plus 16. So 705 into 4 is how much? We know 700 into 4, that is 2800, and 5 into 4 is 20. So it's 2820 and plus 16. So it will be 2836. Now in all these options, 2836 is not available. So your answer will be 5, none of these. Okay. Now we will look at another question on this concept only. The series is 3, 4, 12, 45 and 1005. It is increasing disproportionately. So as it is increasing disproportionately, we came to know that this is a concept of maximum slope, means something is getting multiplied. So here we don't know that 45 gets multiplied by what and this missing term comes, then this missing term gets multiplied by what and this 1005 came. But from here 12 and 45 we can say that it is nearly 3 times. From 4 and 8, if it is 3 times, so it will be 2 times and it will be 1 times. So just write from here, into 1 plus 1, into 2 plus 4, into 3 plus 9. So into 4 plus, now the rule is confirmed, into 1 plus 1, then into 2 plus 4, then into 3 plus 9. So what will be the next number? So next number will be into 4 plus how much? Now here we see that it's 1. 1 means 1 square. 4 means 2 square. 3 means 9 means 3 square. So here what will be 4 square? So that will be 16. So into 4 plus 16. So 45 into 4 plus 16. 45 into 4. How do you calculate? 45 into 2 is 90, into 2 180 and plus 16. So it become 196. 196 is again not there in the option. So our answer will be 5. None of these. Okay. Now let's proceed to another type. This type is known as the mean slope. Now what do we mean by mean slope? This mean slope is actually the mean of maximum and medium slope. In medium slope, we were witnessing that the number, every successive number will was either 2 times, 2 times, 2 times, 2 times, or 3 times, 3 times, 3 times, 3 times. And in the maximum slope, we have witnessed that every successive number was 1 times, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times like this, or 2 times, 4 times, 6 times like this. It was increasing disproportionately and it was increasing in a constant way. So in between, there comes a type that is known as mean slope. There, the number gets increased like 0.5, 1.5, 2.5, or 0.5, 1 times, 1.5 times, 2 times, 2.5 times, like this. Okay, so let's see at one of the example. The example here is 5, 3, 4, 7.5, 17, 45. So we see that how again we will see at the slope. So this 45 and this 17. 45 is the greater number, 17 is the smaller number. Just below that 45. So 45 is how much time of this 17? So by looking at this, we can say that it's nearly 2.5 times. Now this 17 is how many times of this 7.5? So by looking, we can say that it's nearly 2 times. 2 times. So now 4 and 7.5. So it is nearly 1.5 times. Like this, we can say that. So from here, we came to know that if we see that any slope is of the type 2.52, means it is of the nature mean slope, means either it will start with 0.5 or it will start with 1.5 like this. So now just look at the start. It's 5, then 3, then 4, then 7.5. So 5, after 5 the number gets decreased and it comes to 3. So means it is near about half. So it's 0.5. So how do we reach at the conclusion? So we reach at the conclusion that it is of the nature 5, 3, then 4, 7.5, 4, 7.5, 1745. 1745. So here it is 0.5. So 5 into 0.5 is 2.5. So you add 0.5 over here. So here into 1 plus 1. So here it will be into 1.5 plus 1.5. Here it will be into 2 plus 2. Here it will be into 2.5 plus 2.5. Like this. So here it will be into 3 plus 3. This mean slope will increase in this way. You can write how you reach at 3 by this 5. So you multiplied 0.5 and then added 0.5. How you reach at 4? So you multiplied 1 and then added 1. How you reach 7.5? You multiplied 1.5 and then added 1.5. By these three results, the rule gets confirmed that it is of the medium mean slope and it is of the nature 0.5 plus 0.5, 1 plus 1, 1.5 plus 1.5 like this. So now 45 into 3 is how much? 135 and plus 3, so 138. Now how the question will be there in the examination? Now whenever you see any point in the series, so 99% of the cases this will be of mean slope. Now 2.25 and 4.5, so it's 2 times. Now 1.5 and 2.25, so here we don't know how to write it, but here 1.5 and 1.5, so it's 1 times, so definitely it will be 1.5 times. So it will be 0.5 times. 3 into 0.5, 1.5, 1.5 into 1 is 1.5, 1.5 into 1.5 means 1.5 into 1.5. It's very easy. If we know what is the square of 15, we can say 225 and decimal after before that 2 digit, that is 2.25, and then 2.25 into 2, that is 4.5. Now 4.5 into how much? So it will be 2.5. Now how to calculate 4.5 into 2.5? So 4.5 into 2 is 9 and half of 4.5 is 2.25. Now add this, it will become 11.25. Now your answer will be 11.25. So whenever you see any decimal in the series, in 99% of the cases, it will of the nature mean slope, like something half, 1, 1.5, 2, 2.5 times will be there. Okay, now in this question, 7, 4, 5, 9, 20. No decimal is here. Now how to recognize it? So 9 and 20, it seems to be near about 2 times. And as you look at 7 and 4, so this 4 is near to half times of this 7. So right here into 0.5 and then plus 0.5. Then 4 and 5, so just write it into 1 plus 1. Then 5 and 9. So can you write it here into 1.5 plus 1.5? Now the rule gets confirmed. It is of the nature into 0.5 plus 0.5 into 1 plus 1 into 1.5 plus 1.5. So into 2 plus 2. Now the next number 20 into 2.5 plus 2.5. So 20 into 2.5 is how much? 20 into 2 is 40 and half of 20 is 10. So it's 50 and add 2.5 over here. So it's become 52.5. Now the answer will be C, that is 52.5. Now the fifth type, that is ups and down series. This is also a special type of series. In this type of series, one number is increasing and the next number is decreasing, and so on. So the increase or decrease is either in the form of addition and subtraction or multiplication and division. Like you will find that one number is 1 times, other number is half, then the third number is 3 times, other number is 1/4, then the fifth number is 5 times, other number will be 1/6, like this. Or you can find it that next number is +1, other number is -2, next number is +3, other number is -4, like this. Let us look at the example. Here it's written 10, 12, 8, 14, 6, 16. So 10 plus 2 minus 4 plus 6 minus 8 plus 10. So here in the series, we are witnessing that 10 2 something is getting added, then 12 8 something is getting subtracted. Ups downs means 10 plus 2 12 minus 4 8 plus 6. So this is ups downs type of series. Now in the ups downs type of series, we have witnessed the rule, that is the rule is plus 2 minus 4 plus 6 minus 6 plus 10. So minus 12, 16 minus 12, that is 4. Okay, so this was in the terms of addition and subtraction. This example 6, 6, 3, 9, 2.25, 11.25. Now what about this? This seems to be constant, then this is decreasing, then increasing, then decreasing, then increasing. So by this result, it is confirmed that this is ups and down series. Now how to recognize the ups and down series? Either something will be getting added or subtracted, or something will be multiplied and divided. So 6 and 6. So can we say that it is into 1? Then this 6 and 3. So it's divided by 2. Then this 3 and 9. So it's 3 times. So now the rule gets confirmed. It's 1 times. It's divided by 2. It's 3 times. It's divided by 4. So 9 divided by 4 is 2.25. Then this 2.25 gets multiplied by 5. So it's 1.5, 11.25, and like this the series keeps on going. This series is like this: into 1 divided by 2, into 3 divided by 4, into 5 divided by 6, and keep on. Now look at the question, that how the questions comes in the examination on ups and down series. Here we see that 114, 115 increasing, then 115 to 107 decreasing, then 107 to 134 it's increasing, then decreasing. So either something will be getting multiplied, divide, or something will be getting added or subtracted. Now as we look, we don't find that 115 and 107 is there any relationship between the division part or the multiplication part. Now 107 and 134, again it doesn't seem that there is some relation between the either in the addition either in the multiplication or in the division part. So we will start with the addition subtraction. So here we will write it's getting 1 added over here. Here 115 and 107. So how much it getting subtracted? So minus 8. Then again 107 and 134. So here we see that plus 27 is getting added. Then 134 and 70. So here 64 is getting subtracted. So now we look at the series. That series is plus 1 minus 8 plus 27 minus 64. So we recognize that it is 1. But when we see that this is 8, we can say that it's 2q. When we see that it is 27, we can say that it's 3q. So when we see it's 64, we can say that it's 4q. So this series is like plus 1 cube minus 2 cube plus 3 cube minus 4 cube plus 5 cube. 5 cube is 125. So add 125 this to this 70. 70 plus 125, this will be 195. So our answer will be third. This is a type of up and down series. Now, again, the second question on this ups and down series. The series is of the nature 264, 262, 271, 243, 308. Now, what will be the next term? So here, as we look that it's decreasing, then increasing, then decreasing, then increasing. So we came to know that it's ups and down. Now, here is 308, and is there any relationship between 243 and 308 in between the multiplication part or in the division part? No, it doesn't seems to be. Now look at 271 and 243. So we come to know that must something there must be getting added or subtracted. So here, how do you reach at 262 from this 264? You subtracted 2 over here, then you add something 262 to 271. So what is getting added? 9 is getting added over here. Then 271 and 243, what is getting subtracted? 28 is getting subtracted. Then 243 and 308, what is getting added? So plus 65 getting added. Now look at the rules. Minus 2 plus 9 minus 28 plus 65. So this is also one special type of rule. This is this 65. From this 65 we can say that it is near to 4 cube. 4 cube plus 1. From this 28 we can say that it is near to 3 cube plus 1. From this 9 we can say that it's either 3 square or it's 2 cube. Okay, from this 2 we can say that it's either 1 square plus 1 or 1 cube plus 1. But as we look at this 28, we are confirmed that it's 3 cube plus 1. So it will definitely be 2 cube plus 1. So it will be 1 cube plus 1. Now the rule is confirmed. 1 cube plus 1, 2 cube plus 1, 3 cube plus 1, 4 cube 5 plus 1. So it will be 5 cube plus 1. Now minus 1 cube plus 1 plus 2 cube plus 1 minus 3 cube plus 1 plus 4 cube plus 1. So minus 5 cube plus 1. 5 cube plus 1 is 126. So subtract 126 from this 308. What will be the result? The result will be 182. So our answer will be 2, 182. Okay, this was a type of ups and down series. Now the sixth type of series, that is 2 series. In this type of question, we recognize the series in every alternate number. Like the series will be A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. So there will be logic between A and C, C and E, E and H. And there will be logic between B and D, D and F, sorry, E and G over here, D and F and H. Here I have written A, C, E, G, B, D, F, H. Now let us look at the example. There it's written 100, then 1, then 90, then 2, then 80, then 3, then 70, then 4. It looks like ups and down series. But actually, is it ups and down? No. You will not find any relationship between this. Now, how to find it? So let's look. It is 100, it is 90, it is 80, it is 70. So alternate logic. Try to find the logic in the alternate number. So 100 and 90 minus 10, then 90 and 80 minus 10, then 80 and 70 minus 10, then the next number will be 70 minus 10, that is 60. And here you will find the logic 1 and 2 plus 1, 2 and 3 plus 1, 3 and 4 plus 1, then it will be 4 plus 1, 5, like this. The series keeps on going. There is relation between every alternate number. Now, how the question comes in this type of two series type. So here it is written 64, 128, 92, 220, 148, 404. Now You must be tempting to see this number, that 404 and 148. You can see that it's near about 2.5 times. Now as you look behind, it will be 220 and 148, so you will find no logic over here. Okay, so this is not a concept of maximum slope, minimum slope, medium slope. Okay, neither mean slope. Now ups and down, you can say that 64, 128, 128, 92, 92, 220, 148. So either it will be in the form of ups and down series, or it is a type of two type series. Okay, now look at this: 164, 128, 92, 220, 148, 404. So let's proceed for the alternate number 64 and 92. How much is the difference? Plus 28. Then 92 and 148. So it's plus 56. Here it seems that 28 into 2 is plus 56. Okay. Then try to find the logic over here. 128 and 220. How much is the difference? Difference is 92. Then 220 and 404. How much is the difference? Difference is 184. Now the rules are confirmed. It's every alternate number is getting added by twice of this, that is 28, then 56. So it will be 56 into 2, 112. Add 148 and 112, it will become 260. So our option will be 4. If we have to find it further, so the next number will run on this series, this alternate series, that is 128 and 220, 92, then 184, then 184, twice of 184 will be 368. So you will add 404 to this 368 if the question is on this series. Now we have seen the question on ups and down and two type of the series. Now the next question on two type series, like here it's 7, 20, 13, 26, 69. Now as you look at the last number, it's 19, then 26. So it seems to be something ups and downs type, or it is a type of two type series. So let's see what is it. 7, 20, 13, 26, 19. So as we look at the alternate numbers, 7 and 13, it's plus 6. Then 13 and 19, it's plus 6. Then 20 and 26, it's plus 6. The rule is confirmed that every alternate number is getting added by 6. Now 26 plus 6 will be 32. Now the answer will be 2. That is, so this is also a type of two type series. Look, here in this question you can also proceed like ups and down. 26, 13, 26, 19. It is plus 13 minus 6 plus 13 minus 6. So plus 13. So 19 plus 13 is 32. So somewhere you will find in the examination that two or more logic can apply to the same question, and it generally comes in two type series and ups and down series. Okay, so today we have learned all the type of series, that what type of the series are asked in the examination. Whatever the question will come in the examination, the question will be on this type only. In our next lecture, we will see some wrong number series and some special type of series which are just asked in the mains examination. So we will cover over that. So thank you for today. Have a nice day.